What up YouTube, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Max and today we're taking a look at the KBDFans Mountain Ergo keyboard in black. The Mountain Ergo is an ergonomic 60% keyboard with a split PCB, aluminum plates and an all aluminum case. It comes with a wrist rest that feels extremely nice and the back piece features a white mountain inlay. Trying out an ergonomic keyboard was weird at first since it has subtle changes compared to a regular keyboard, like a second B key, two smaller space bars with extra keys next to it. The setup of the keyboard is simple: alu plates, no foam and OPBlack switches that are lubed in film soldered onto the PCB. I made the decision to go with OPBlack since my man Sam Packpack mentioned that the combo with the alu plates is pretty nice and he wasn't exaggerating. This is probably my favorite combo up to date. I wasn't a fan of alu plates before because of the sound, but I think I grew up a little in terms of keyboard sounds, and fair enough, clack gives the keyboard more character than thog, I would say. Also, I like to go with no foam moving forward since the muted sounds make boards sound all the same with no characteristics. The assembly and disassembly is pretty straightforward. You got 5 screws on the back of the keyboard that hold the top and bottom piece together, a split alu plate design with 8 screws, 4 per plate, and 8 standoffs, also 4 per plate. The split PCB of course connects to each other and additionally to a USB-C daughter board that screws into the bottom piece. There's plate and case foam included in the kit that I didn't use. I went with the soldered PCB, but the layout is pretty much locked. The only change that can be made is either full backspace or split backspace. No long right shift, which I would prefer. You got split space bars with the left one being sandwiched between 2 keys and the right one having one on the right side. Very awkward since the right key of the left spacebar is where my thumb rests, so I programmed it to be spacebar 2. The Mountain Ergo is raised in the middle for an even better ergo experience that feels really natural. The included wrist rest is a nice addition and does not feel cheap at all. It fits perfectly with the Mountain Ergo and complements the overall look. My previous experience with alu plates came from the GMK Pro and KeepWork Mega, which both had a very stiff typing experience and muted sounds. Also, no split backspace on this keyboard since I knew from the beginning that I wasn't going to keep this board, but man, this one grew on me very fast. The typing experience was buttery smooth, the angle of the raise in the middle of the keyboard combined with the wrist rest was just off the charts. The Ergo layout was something I had to get used to, but after a day or two I didn't want to go back. There's almost no hollowness or case ping in the board and the sound is crisp and clean. You get a bit of a thog, but more of a clacky, punchy sound. It was priced around $450 US and was a restock item that is now out of stock at KBDFans. You had 2 color options in general, but with different combinations. Black or white, and you could choose plate and backpiece individually too. PCB is hot swap or soldered, but the layout is pretty much the same on both. No other plate options besides alu, so no plate comparisons. Since I tried more high-end premium keyboards since December, this overall was one of my favorites, so why didn't I keep it? Although it is labeled as a 60% keyboard, for me it didn't feel like it. That could be due to multiple factors. The spacebar layout wasn't really my thing, and I would love it to be like the Meridian where both spacebars are put at the center of the keyboard. Also, a real windkeyless version would have been nice, and the option to put a right long shift without a function key. Minor things, but I grew to like them since I used the Polaris and saw the Meridian. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this one and the KBDFans Mountain Ergo. Make sure to check KBDFans Momo group buys, do-it-yourself kits and all your keyboard accessories. Thank you for the support and all the new subscribers. Leave a like, comment and make sure to subscribe for more content very soon. Also check out my Twitch channel where I do co-working streams, podcasting, and occasional keyboard building. That's it for me. I see you in the next one, and I will cue the music. Bye.